Okay, the next feature we're going to take a look at is multiple cursors. So in this table code that we created, it's pretty complex, and there's a lot of places where I want to insert things or change things, let's say, for example. So if, for example, the descriptions, let's say that I wanted to style them and I want to make them italic or something like that. So rather than going in here, creating a class for this one, copy and pasting, go down here, what I can do is I can use multiple cursors. So I'm going to put my cursor inside here. You can see it's blinking there. And then I want to do the same thing for the description here and here. So to do that, I can hold down the Command key on the keyboard and click inside of this tag. Now you see that I have two cursors. Then click inside of this tag. Now I have three cursors. I get the space bar, and I can type in class equals DESC, short for description. And then when I'm done, when I want to get out of the three cursors, I can just hit the escape key. And now I just have a single cursor. So that is multiple cursors. The other way that you can do multiple cursors is hold down the Option key and drag. So if I put my cursor here, let's say that I wanted to do something to all these TD tags, I can just hold down the Option key and I can drag down through these. And now I have multiple cursors all the way through here, and I can do something with that. And again, to get out, you just hit the escape key to go back. So now that I have this new class, I can go into my style sheet. And again, I'm going down to that table section, and we'll give it a class of .desc. And what I want to do here is I want to do font-style and make it italic. And then save the changes. Go back to the source code, and if I look in split view, you can see all the text is now italic in those sections. So that is multiple cursors in Dreamweaver.